Guys, I'm back with another video, and today we are doing a Dollar Tree haul. Y'all, when I tell y'all Dollar Tree be taking all your girls' money, listen, we're gonna talk about it, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So if any of that intrigues your little mind, you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notification if you like these types of videos, of course. So anyway, let's jump right into it. I'm not gonna pause this video or anything. So this is like over 3 days worth of Dollar Tree stuff. And I know it's sad, but of course we was out of trash bags, so I had to go and get some of this. But y'all, can I just say, when you go in Dollar Tree, you know, they getting new stuff and all that good stuff. It's a lot of name brand stuff in the doggone Dollar Tree. I'm like, listen, if your money is looking a whole lot funny, if you just can't master up out of that wallet a good $10, I think Dollar Tree will get you right. I think Dollar Tree has just about whatever you need to get you right in every area. Cleaning, household, you know, dishes, self-care stuff, hygiene stuff, food, whatever you need. If your money is looking fun, I'm telling you, hop your little cell phone in the car and go on down to Dollar Tree, because they don't mind taking your money. But anyway, so when I went in there, I needed some more of this, because y'all know I love Spick and Span, especially the lemon scent. That's like one of my all-time favorites. I gotta have something that not only smell good, but I gotta have some things that disinfect as well. And then y'all know I done started my 7-day detox, right? So, wait a minute, I'm jumping ahead of myself. Oh Lord, where's my bag? Jesus. Hold on, y'all. All right, y'all. So I started my 7-day detox smoothie cleanse. So I'm trying not to eat anything, you know, unhealthy or whatever. Well, I'm trying to eat as clean as I can, put it that way. So I bought me some honey nut roasted peanuts and some, I forget what you call these, but y'all know. Let me know in the comment what these bugles, whatever they call. I got these to snack on in between my 3 smoothies a day. And then while I was out the next day, I went to Dollar Tree and I got this foam shaving shaving cream, because I saw a cleaning hack on YouTube, on TikTok. So y'all know I'm always looking for cleaning hacks. Then I got another one of these, because mine's in my bathroom is seen its better days, real good better days. So then when I was in Ulta, I picked up this foot spray, because y'all know I'm coming y'all with my summer hygiene. But I got that, and I got me a new perfume, y'all. But I'll show y'all that later on my hygiene video. But I did that, and today, honey, they just was doing the absolute boy. So of course I re-upped on my Suavitel. Y'all know this is my favorite scent, the Morning Sun. And then I got some Lysol Clean and Fresh. Y'all know it's lemon scent. Y'all know I love my lemon stuff. And then I got these little babies, the scented things. You know, they go like, you know, in small spaces, but I got a place where I'm gonna do them at, and ain't in the bathroom. Of course, I got me some more scent boosters. These smell really good. I was looking for the orange one, the Hawaiian one, but I like the way this smells too. So I mean, for $1.25, you just really can't really go wrong. And then they got some new stuff up in there. See, this is why I need to stay at the Dollar Tree. They got Yardley. You know, they make that soap that I used to love, that oatmeal soap. But they got these cleansing cloths. Trying to make sure y'all see them. Y'all go check this out. Because this is a good brand, Yardley, because I love their soaps. But I can't use them because they irritate me. And then I found this mold stain and mildew stain, because y'all know I have mold and mildew. I struggle with that around my bathtub in the bathroom. So I got this, see how that's going to work out. And of course, I got some new things to go in the toilet. And then I saw this, because y'all know I like the pink stuff. But I was like, this may be an off-brand for the pink stuff. So I'm going to try this out on the kitchen stove. I'm really anxious to try it out in my bathtub in the kitchen stove. So I'm going to keep y'all posted on how this works. Y'all let me know in the comments if y'all ever use this. So I'm gonna keep you guys posted, because y'all know when I try stuff, I like to try it for a couple of times before I give y'all my opinion on it, because I just like to be honest and tell you guys the honest God truth, than to have y'all going to buy stuff and it don't necessarily work. So kind of like I try it out for y'all, so y'all can get my opinion, because I do think that I've earned your trust and I want to keep it that way. So when I try something, if it works, I'm going to let you know. If it doesn't work, I'm going to let you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, this video. I had to come show y'all, because y'all know when I get cleaning products, I'll be ready to clean. So I'm going to do that in about the next hour or so. But I wanted to come on and show my sunshines how the Dollar Tree just be taking all you girls' money. But anyway, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Like this video, of course, if you like these types of video. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already a part of the Sunny Squad. If you are new here, welcome. Make sure you hashtag Sunny Squad and 2 Sunshine. That lets me know you're new, so I can give you a proper welcome. And also, if you're returning Sunshine, welcome back, Sunshine. I love you guys, and I will see you on my next video. Mwah.